we're here on this special day. Our hearts are full of pleasure, a day that brings the two of you close together. We're gathered here to celebrate a moment you'll always treasure. We ask Allah to make your love last forever. Let's raise our hands and make dua like the Prophet taught us. And with one voice, let's all say, 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 Barakallahu lakuma wa baraka alaykuma wa jama'a baynakuma bil khair. Barakallahu lakuma wa baraka alaykuma wa jama'a baynakuma bil khair. From now you'll share all your joys, through hardships support each other, together worshiping Allah, seeking His pleasure. We pray that He will fill your life with happiness and blessings, and grant you kids who make your home filled with laughter. Let's raise our hands and make dua like the Prophet taught us. And with one voice, let's all say, 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 Barakallahu lakuma wa baraka alaykuma wa jama'a baynakuma bil khair. Barakallahu lakuma wa baraka alaykuma wa jama'a baynakuma.
Sem toh. Bingung. Nanti dulu, ibunya geser dulu bisa nggak? Mana, awas dingin mana? Emaknya geser dulu bisa nggak? Mana, awas dingin mana?
Ah ya, kali dulu ya mak.
Boleh, kebagian cikuk.
Sok saya suap. Dulu tahan kakak. Oke, kakak. Yuk.
Kurangnya terus mana?
Jangan rumah. Iya, dikerjain ya, balik.
Nah,
Nanti ya, nanti dulu. Bentar kakak, lihat sini dulu kak.
cek aneh di tengah.
Kak, lihat sini dulu kak. Sini sini dulu.
Ayamnya.
Itu yang ketiga, tarik ya. Saya yang ketiga.
Ayamnya.
Satu. Nah, taruh dulu mak, taruh dulu mak. 1, 2, 3.
Tarik.
Oke.
Ada. Itu ibu di kaki. Mau.
Kiri kanan, taruh dulu bu, taruh dulu bu. Mau minum kak.
Minum. Terus. Tadi gitu.
Taruh dulu mak.
Kela.
Jangan dibagiin dulu.